First time, guys, I'm at a fucking crazy bar here. I don't even know what the name of the bar is. Here. We're having a good time. We're chilling out. See what happens, guys. Baby dog. Alright guys, we're gonna keep the cameras rolling tonight. Let's see what happens. It'll be a crazy night, guys. Elias the Traveler. Check it out. Hey brother.
Bro!
Yeah. Yeah,
Hey
we go.
bro! Hey bro!
Hey, bro.
What's your name?
Elias the Traveler. Follow me.
Oh,
Instagram, Elias the Traveler.
nice.
Elias.
Elias. My name is Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Tiger.
Yes. American YouTuber?
Yes.
Yes! Oh, yes.
American.
American YouTuber.
There we go,
Nice to
bro.
meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother. Where are you, bro? Where are you from? Where? You from Okinawa?
Okinawa.
Yeah.
Hey bro, hey bro. Hey bro, hey bro. Come on, hey bro.
Yeah.
Come on, hey bro. Come on, hey bro.
Let's do it, man.
Bro! American YouTuber! American YouTuber! Hey bro! Bro.
You give me a shot, babe? I don't want to be too drunk, bro.
Japanese kanpai. Cheers.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Are you from Okinawa?
Yeah, of course.
You guys are from Okinawa?
Okinawa.
My first day.
You here?
First day.
First day. You're from?
Thank you, man. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Shit, man. I love Okinawa so far. I love it. Thank you, man. I'm not gonna get drunk.
Oh, drunk.
You guys drink. You drink. Cheer. I'm from America. USA. Yes. Are you drinking?
Yeah. You want to drink it?
Maybe.
Tequila. Let's go, tequila.
I need to get tequila, man.
Yeah.
待って。
Sorry, man. You want tequila? I don't want to give you a shot. We can share.
Japanese curry.
Got it.
Leg cheers.
Okinawa Gengo. Okinawa no kanpai.
Okay.
We will say kanpai. In Japanese,
Kanpai.
like cheers.
Cheers. Come by.
Hey.